hear the news. They're tearing our building down, making way for the future. They don't want no relics around, and it makes me think, can I treasure the memories? Can I keep moving forward with all of that mess inside me? 'Cause they'll move all the pieces when my eyes are closed, as if they could keep me from you, as if they could keep me from home. Beyond the reaches of your softest voice, where everything else is distraction and everyone else is just noise. Everything else is distraction, everyone else is just noise. I am not immune. I've been burned and been beaten down. I'm trying to learn how to live with what I'm faced with living without. I wish I could, but I can't. Please everyone all of the time, hurt less and be loved more, and simply feel settled inside. But they move all the pieces when my eyes are closed, and everything feels out of order, and suddenly I am alone. Beyond the reaches of your loudest voice, where everything else is distraction and everyone else is just noise. Everything else is distraction and everyone else is just noise. Starting to live without doubting. I'm learning to like who I am. I'm trying to let go a little. I'm starting to think that I can. Know all the pieces when my eyes are closed, trusting that I'm in the right place and knowing that I'm not alone. Within the reaches of your softest voice, where everything else is distraction and everyone else is just noise. Everything else is distraction, everyone else is just noise.